going on, guys? This is Mike here from MB Reviews and More, back at you with another video. And in today's video we're going to do a quick how-to. We're going to be installing some floorboards on Lexi's Honda Rebel 300. You can see that we have currently the regular standard floorboards on there, and we're going to put these on there. And if anybody is interested in these, I will leave the link in the description for you, and you can pick them up if you like. And, okay, this appears to be a pretty quick, easy process, hopefully. 10mm on the bottom of the foot peg. This one's not coming up quite so easy. Tighten that. Am I going the wrong way here? Yep. Helps if you go the right way. And that's what's in the bottom, just a quick 10mm, and then this should pop right off. That's the old one. And I just put this back in the bottom so you can save it in case anything happens. Okay. Make sure these going the right way. That's backwards, right? And you slip the new one in there. And they come with their own screws. I'm going to take a quick look at mine just to make sure I got the Rebel writing on the right side of the bike, which I believe it is. Actually, it is not. So there is a difference between the sides. So this will slip in there like that. Put that down through there. And we'll tighten this up. You do need to hold the bottom screw. I don't have any torque information on this, so I'm just going to tighten it down until it's pretty tight. That's not going nowhere. That's good. That's one side. Come over to the other side. Put the screw back in there. And these are still fine, I mean, so if anything happens, should definitely have another pair. And I left the other one on the other side. You can see the back it just slips into the groove here. It lines up perfectly. And it gives you so much more. I mean, you can see the difference what you get with the floorboards. T-Rex also makes a set of these that are bigger. They're probably like this. They're all chromed out, but you're going to pay a hell of a lot more money for them. There is like a thread locker in there too. I don't know if I change it back or not. Alright, that's it. That's on there. Big difference. You can still get under there. Nice and easy. You get a lot of play. Makes a big difference. Like I said, I will leave a link in the video if you're interested in these. I believe I picked them up on Amazon. Under $100. The T-Rexes were like 200 and change. Unless the price has changed, I don't know. But any questions, leave me a comment. And until next time, this is Mike from Memory Reviews and More. We'll see you.